Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be walking you through an easy way and its steps for you to be able to customize EverWebinar registration page. So before we dive into it, make sure you subscribe to the channel because it actually helps me out. So to get started, so one of the easiest ways to log in into your webinar account, then go to your webinar dashboard, select the webinar you want to edit. So from the left hand menu, click pages, then choose registration page, select a template you like and click edit. So add your logo, headlines and description, upload image or video if needed. You can also change colors, the font and the button styles to match your branding. Preview the page to check your edit and click save or apply changes, and done. Your webinar registration page is now customized with your branding and content, and that's how you can easily customize your EverWebinar registration page. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.